Hi guys, and welcome back to Simply Forex, the channel dedicated to you, the trader. We want you to be successful in the markets. So guys, I'm going to give you some gold every day. I'm going to let you know which currency pairs I'm looking to trade and which direction. And I'm also going to let you know which news that you must be aware of. If you like these vids, then please subscribe to the channel and like and share. So let's take a look at the chart and what I'm potentially going to trade today.
Good morning, traders. How are you on this glorious day? It is a Wednesday and it is the 20th of January. Guys, I hope you've been following my trade ideas this week. We've had a very profitable week so far. Let's hope today's the same. Today we've got two trade ideas. The first one is this. This is the euro against the Swiss franc. This is the day chart. As you can see, yesterday we had this bullish candlestick pattern coming up from these lows over here. Yeah, so price has bounced up. We've seen a bullish candlestick, and I think we can take price a little higher. Okay, so firstly to this blue line at 0397, and then even potentially this line at 0489. Okay, so let's look at H1 for execution. So yeah, we're looking at this grey zone, guys. All right, so I want to see price retrace into this grey zone. I want to see a bullish candlestick pattern. Then we're going to take price back up to these highs first of all, as long as the trade gives us at least 1:1 risk to reward, and then we can leave some money on the trade and take it up to our blue line, our blue daily target that I just showed you guys. All right, so yeah, euro against the Swiss franc, we're looking to long this pair. The second trade is this, guys. This is the Swiss franc against the Japanese yen. So as you can see, yesterday we had a bearish candlestick pattern form. It managed to break these lows here. Okay, so I still think we have a little bit of room to the downside. Our first target is this blue line at 123.51, and then our second higher time frame target is 123.01. All right, so we're shorting this market. Let's look at H1 for execution. So yeah, first of all, price could retrace into this grey zone, and then we see a bearish candlestick pattern form, and then we can take price back down to this low and then leave some money on the trade and take it back down to our blue daily target. Guys, you can see this candle here has formed. This is a bearish candlestick pattern, but as my regular viewers will know, I like to trade from the London Open because there's volume in the market. Okay, if price doesn't react in this grey zone, what I'd like to see, guys, is price retrace into this grey zone. But again, we're looking for a bearish candlestick pattern to form, and then firstly we'll take price back down to these lows. This is our first target, and then we'll leave some money on the trade and take it back down to our blue daily target. All right, guys, so yeah, they're the two trades for today. Euro against the Swiss franc long, we are buying, and then the Swiss franc against Japanese yen, we are selling, we are shorting. All right, let's look at the crazy world of news now. So we have a busy news day today, guys, but before I start the news, if you are enjoying this daily morning analysis and want to receive it every single morning, Monday to Friday, then please subscribe to the channel, hit the notification button, and you'll receive it every single morning. All right, so go ahead and do that. So the news. So Australia, the Lucky Devils, are on holiday all day. Okay. If we look further down, as you can see, the first piece of news that we're really interested in is this. At 3 o'clock GMT, we have new home sales coming out of the US. Yeah, a 3-star rating. At the same time, we also have some very big Canadian news. Okay, so we've got the interest rate decision and the statement and report to go with it. So this is really big news for the Canadian dollar. It can really move any Canadian dollar pair. All right, so keep an eye out for that, guys. At 3:30 GMT, we have some more news coming out of the US, another 3-star rating, and this is crude oil. But as I say every time, guys, oil is closely correlated with the Canadian dollar, so it can also really move any Canadian dollar pair as well as US pairs. Okay, we carry on down. At 4 o'clock, we have the press conference that will be talking about the interest rate decision from earlier. So this can really affect the Canadian dollar and move any pair that has the Canadian dollar in. And then we have the big daddy, the mother of all news. Okay, so at 7 o'clock, we have the Fed interest rate decision. Okay, so this will affect all currency pairs, guys, to be quite honest, not just US dollar pairs. It will affect all pairs. Okay, guys, so yeah, maybe you don't want to be in a trade when this news is released. Okay, so that's 7 o'clock GMT. All right, so must be aware of that. And then there's a press conference that will talk about the decision. All right, and that's at 7:30 GMT. And then finally, guys, if you're still awake, at 9:45, you've got the New Zealand, out of New Zealand, we have some news, and that's the CPI, so inflation data. Okay, and that can move any New Zealand dollar pair. But the news, guys, that we all must be aware of is the Fed interest rate decision at 7 o'clock GMT. All right, guys. Yeah, if you've enjoyed the vid, guys, please subscribe, like, and share with your trader friends. I hope you have a wonderful trading day, and I will see you tomorrow.